Unless you live under a rock and that rock has no Wi-Fi, you've seen the ARRMA Gorgon. I've seen so many videos of this and I had to get one. I don't own an ARRMA. This is my first ARRMA. And for the price of $169.99 for the ready to run version that comes with the nickel metal hydride battery and the charger, I had to get one. So the ARRMA Gorgon comes in two different colors. It comes in this yellow, but it also comes in this red. There's a better shot of the red one. So looking it over, I think it looks awesome. The tires are extremely soft. There's no foams or anything in, and then they have an air hole right there. We'll see how they hold up. It does have oil-filled shocks, but they are plastic oil-filled shocks. So we get a Spectrum Servo 25 amp brushed ESC receiver right here. And there you can see the 550 brushed motor. And then there's a slot here where you can put a fan. So the battery pack that comes with it is an 8.4 volt, 7 cell, 3300 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride battery. And then you get the Spectrum S120 smart charger with a USB cable. So you get a manual, pretty well detailed, lots of pictures, lots of instructions. And then you also get a tech pack. And the tech pack here shows you how to set the slipper clutch and how to change out the pinion gear and the spur gear. But it also gives you the exploded view. It shows you every part number and where it goes. And then in this pack, you get the tools that you need. And then you also get a pack of these shock preloads. And then here is the controller. It's a Spectrum SLT2. And you also get a set of ARRMA AA batteries. So this is a true ready to run RC. You get everything you need except the wall plug to run it right out of the box. Okay. Servo seems pretty decent. Oh, as you can see, it is two-wheel drive. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show this in stock form, what you can expect right out of the box. We're going to do some speed runs. We're going to do some light bashing. I don't want to break this yet because I do have a Spectrum brushless system and I'm going to run this on 2S and 3S. So I kind of want to preserve this for that video. Next thing to do is see how fast it is. So first thing we're gonna do with this is we're gonna do some speed runs, see how fast the stock battery is. But first we have to slap a GPS on here. So we'll turn this on and we have to turn on the truck. So we're gonna make sure we are on 100. Let's see if we can get a wheelie off the stock battery, fully charged from a standstill. Will it wheelie? Hey, pick the front end up just a little bit. All right, we got the GPS up. Let's do track and start. Okay, here we go. First rip. Let's do another run up and another run back down. Oh, it's a little top heavy. All right, let's see what we got here. And we got 40 kilometers per hour. Oops, I didn't have it in miles per hour. 25 miles per hour. Okay, so you get 25 miles per hour out of the stock battery. That's it. We're not gonna run it back and forth. I am gonna do a video where I run it on 2S and even 3S, and we'll see what we can get before we change it over to brushless. Okay, we're here at the track. I'm gonna just do a little light bashing with it. I don't want to break anything just yet. I did get a little dirty there. She's a little scuffed up. Had it on its side a couple times. We're just gonna bash it, see how good it does on the track. Whoa! It doesn't grip too good, at least on this dirt.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, thought I made it, but I didn't. This be four-wheel drive. This won't be a problem, but it's two-wheel drive, so it's a little hard to get some traction on it. Maybe I can get a backflip here. No, this just doesn't have the punch. No, I don't think we'll see a backflip out of it. Let's hit the big one here. Nice. Woo! Let's bring it around. Let's launch it off this one here. Nice. Whoa! Oh, well, that'll do it for this video on the ARRMA Gorgon. You get an idea of what you get. It's starting to get a little tired. Battery's getting low. It doesn't want to pick up speed like it should, and it's struggling over some of the jumps. But yeah, the ARRMA Gorgon, it's a decent introductory RC, and for not a bad price for what you get. Seem to handle the abuse pretty well. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos on the ARRMA Gorgon, but I'm going to do a 2S, 3S speed run, and then we're going to switch this over to brushless. Thanks for watching me check out this new ARRMA ready to run RC.